Hi, my name is Chef Himoy de Baron, and I used to be a caterer. I used to run my own catering company. And I've learned so much about the catering business that I continue to consult for people on how they can start their business. In this 6-week module, I'd like to discuss with you what it will take for you to make your dreams a reality. In this 6-week module, I've also invited some of Manila's top caterers to help me explain to you how you can get to learn and put into practice these learnings into your own business. I will tackle 6 modules. Module 1, I will try and explain to you what a caterer looks like. What do you need to start to make that first step towards becoming a caterer? So I will discuss there how much capital you might need, how big of a team you might need, government permits that you might need. All these things I will tackle in the first module. The second module is something that you might have never thought of, but is very important to catering, which is sales and marketing. A catering company will not survive without that knowledge of how you could sell yourself and brand yourself as a caterer. The third and fourth module, it's about food preparation, food costing, food planning, food safety, all these things that are very vital and important as a caterer. I will have an overview and I will also discuss with another chef tips on how he does his daily operations as a chef and how to view menu planning and all these things through the eyes of a chef. My fifth module is also critical and sometimes we don't think about, which is service. Half of a catering business is all about service. Providing good service is so integral to the success of a caterer. How do we manage people? How do we deal with difficult clients or difficult requests? So we're going to discuss all of that in the 5th module. In the 6th module is a more of a practical approach. We're going to show you and make a demo on how you could properly and beautifully present your catering business. We're going to have a table setup and also a buffet setup that we're going to be showing you. So this course, there's going to be so much for it. It's going to be a gold mine for you guys. It will help you steer you, point you to the right directions. It will give you a step-by-step process on how you can start your catering business. So again, I want to invite you guys, come join me in this Catering 101, 6 weeks discussing how to be a caterer with me, Chef Himoy de Baron, only here at the Bailiwick Catering.